Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Walmart affiliate program, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate the Walmart affiliate program, first, visit the Walmart affiliates website. Look for the option to create an account or sign up. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Next, provide details about your website or social media platform where you plan to promote Walmart products. Make sure to include information about your audience and how you intend to use affiliate links. Once you complete the form, review your information for accuracy. Then, click on the Submit button to send your application. After submitting, check your email for a confirmation message from Walmart. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Walmart affiliates account. Navigate to the dashboard, where you will find your unique affiliate links. Browse through the product categories to find items you wish to promote. Copy the affiliate link for each product you choose. You can now add these links to your website or social media posts. Regularly monitor your account for performance metrics and commissions. Engage with Walmart's promotional materials to enhance your marketing efforts. By following these steps, you will successfully activate your Walmart affiliate program account and start earning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.